Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, test and review the Ulefone Note 16 Pro. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the phone, a pin to insert the SIM card, a protective case, a USB cable and a charger. You also have a quick guide, charging instructions, a safety prompt card and a warranty card. Now let's explore the phone. As you can see, it is a good size. This phone comes in three colours: black, midnight violet and blue. I have the black version. It has a 6.52-inch screen with a full high definition plus display. It has Octa-Core processor and supports 4G LTE. It has 8 GB of RAM plus an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM. It has 128 GB of ROM storage, which is good to store hundreds of photos and videos. On the top front of the phone you have an 8-megapixel camera, and on the back you have the main 50-megapixel camera for the main pictures and the 2-megapixel macro camera to take pictures from a short distance. Next to the camera you have a flashlight. At the bottom you have a slot for a 3.5mm headphone. Next to it you have the microphone, followed by the USB-C slot to charge the phone and the speaker. On the left-hand side you have the SIM card slot. There are two slots, which you can use for 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Finally, on the right-hand side you have the power button. This button can also be used as a fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone, and above it you have the volume up and down buttons. The phone also comes with a screen protector already attached to protect your phone from scratches. The box also comes with a protective case to cover the back of your phone to protect it from accidental damage. I've now powered on the phone and finished setting it up. Now let's test it. As you can see, I've unlocked my phone with the fingerprint sensor and it responded well. You can also use face recognition to unlock your phone. This phone uses Android 13 as its operating system, which is the latest operating system at the time of shooting this video. Now let's navigate the phone. As you can see, the touchscreen responds well. I'm swiping and tapping with ease. Now let's browse the internet. As you can see, the phone responds well when typing and browsing. Please note that this phone does not support NFC, so you can't use it for contactless payments. Now I will show you the photos that I've taken with the phone. As you can see, the quality for indoors and outdoors is good. This is also a good quality video that I've taken with my phone. In summary, this is a decent budget phone for general daily use. It's very good for web browsing, making video calls, or using it for social media apps. The large high-definition plus display is good for watching movies or playing light games. If you want to use the phone for heavy games, then consider buying a higher spec phone. Fully charging the phone takes between 2 and 3 hours. Also, the 4400 milliampere battery on this phone will give you 24 hours of talk time or 277 hours of standby time. It also supports OTG reverse charging, so you can use this phone to charge other devices. Finally, you can extend the storage on this phone with a 256 GB SD card, enabling you to store hundreds of photos and videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.